Welcome to the Drum Set Therapy Podcast. My name is Stefano Ashbridge, and this is a show about the challenges that come with playing the drums and what you can do about them so you enjoy your drumming journey. Visit drumlessonsinla.com for online and in-person drum coaching. Is there such thing as too much practicing? Yes, I think there can be such a thing. It takes long periods of time to master any skill, and your mind and body need time to recuperate between practice sessions. Your mind and body also need consistent breaks during long practice sessions. You can build up stamina to go for longer periods of time, but at some point, if you keep going, you'll find that it's becoming difficult to focus, and you keep making mistakes, and you feel like you're getting worse. That would be the time to take a short break. And in turn, the same thing will happen if you keep practicing all day long, even with consistent breaks. It's probably time to call it a day when you feel like you're getting diminishing returns. In general, practicing your instrument is all about consistent, focused repetition, and you can't cram 8 hours worth of progress into an hour. What you can do, though, is practice efficiently and effectively so time isn't wasted. So if you're practicing for an hour every day and you want to ramp it up to 2 hours or 4 hours, give it a try, track your progress, and see if it helps. I say practice as much as you can or as much as you want to. Think about how you want drumming to fit into your life and find a practice routine that works for you. Thanks for listening. Visit drumlessonsinla.com for online and in-person drum coaching. Till next time.